We are welding some support here. And we are going to weld this. இது கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு காட்டுறேன்.
நீங்க கிளாஸ்க்கு போய் கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க?
இல்லம்மா நானே வீடியோ பார்த்து தான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்.
இல்லை
அதுதான் யூடியூப் பார்த்து தான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். நம்ம ஊரில் அந்த ஷூ மாதிரி போட்டு ஸ்கேட்டிங் பண்ணுவாங்க. எனக்கு அது பிடிக்காது. ஓகே பிடிச்சிக்கணுமா? சப்போர்ட் வேணுமா? ஏன் ஃபோன் வழியாக பார்த்தா பிரைட்டாக இருக்காது.
சொல்றேன் அப்படியே வந்துருச்சு. கலர் பத்தியில ப்ளூ இதாக இருக்கு,
ரெயின்போ கலர்.
இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு ஏன் பண்ற கரெக்டா பொங்கல் அதெல்லாம் லீவு பொங்கல் லீவ் விட்டுருக்கோம். பொங்கல் காமிச்சாங்க நம்ம டென்ஷன் லீவ் விட்டா ஏன்னா வீட்டில் சும்மா பண்ணா போயிட்டு சோறு வந்துருமா உடச்சாங்கன்னே சொல்லுது. வீட்டில் ஒரு கேட்குறாங்க எதுக்கு கேட்குறீங்க? எங்கள் வீட்டில் ஒரு வேலை இருக்கு அது கிடையாது கேள்வி. நாளைக்கு போற மாட்டேன் ஸ்கூல் ஸ்கூல் எவ்வளோ முடியாது.
So our rear fork is ready. After it cools down, they'll remove the support piece. We are going for the old design. The plates are ready. The front fork and the rear fork. We are going to dip it in water to make it cold. Thank you. Guess it's going to take a whole day. So we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and we're going to take it out and it will be cold already. These are stainless steel plates. So good to go. We need to mark the holes where the deck is going to sit, and after which we're going to take it and put the holes and drill the holes somewhere in the town of Tiruchirappalli. So the drilling place is like 13 kilometers from here, up and down journey, to and fro journey. So we are going there right now. So the drilling guy seemed to be having lunch. So we thought, why don't we also go for lunch? Myself and the other kid, we are going for the lunch, and we'll try and finish this job as soon as we finish our lunch. Finding the right 5.5 mm drill bit is a challenge. I hope he finds one. So Mr. Abbas is helping us out here. He is going to drill the plate, which holes on the plate that goes on the board, the deck. He is changing the drill bits for us. We're going to try the 5.5 mm first. If it works probably, we'll go ahead with that. Otherwise, we'll move to 6.5 mm. So he's marking the dots. I did the same when I drilled holes on my deck, wooden deck. ஒரு நிமிஷம். There you go, our front plate is ready. Going for the rear plate. Our rear fork is also ready. We are going to check with the riser pads for the matching holes, and we'll be good to go. So the rear fork is ready. Bolts are fine. So is the front fork. The bolts are neat and clean, passing through the hole properly. We're going to check it with the deck and move out from here. Peace. I couldn't film because I was assisting him with the front and rear forks. both seated properly in the deck. So my job here is done now. I'm happy. So we are heading back to the welder's workshop from here. So we're going to complete the setup over there, like assemble it and test ride it. So here we have the LDP setup. This is a successful setup. As such it moves. So hope you guys can see it. The board is moving. Kind friend is helping us out here. But the problem is like the weight. Where I am little overweight. So if I am going to step on the board. Oh sorry. It's not my foot. Yeah. If I am going to step on my board, due to my weight, the rear plate sits on the ground floor. I couldn't help it at all, even with the chassis and without the chassis. So I have to figure out a way like how this is going to work for us. So what I am thinking is like only possible way is like to cut short the board and no way man, that's not going to work. I have to think about it later. Let me sleep on it and let you guys know. Peace. I am in the verge of giving up, man. I've been here since morning. I'm so tired. I really didn't have the energy to go for another iteration, but this kid doesn't want to give up. So he suggested something and we kind of brainstormed, and we kind of figured like what could be the problem. So we are going to cut the rear fork into two and reduce the length of the piece which is going under the deck a little bit and weld it back together. And this time we are going to eyeball the angle of the rear plate or the rear fork to 25 to 30 degrees so that when I step onto the deck, when your trucks are mounted and everything, when the trucks kind of bend down, it nullifies the kingpin angle to 0 degrees. That's the idea. So we're going to go and try that. So we again cut the rear fork and we are going to reduce the angle of the rear fork to prevent it from touching the ground surface, even for a big size rider. Peace. DIY stuff is really tiring. You need to have a lot of patience. More than that, you need to have a very good rapport with the people you are working with. They are really helping me. They are really kind. Thank you. Peace. We seem to have agreed on a proper angle for the rear fork, which could bear my big size rider weight, which is like almost 120 or a little above, little more than that. So we're going to completely weld the angle now, allow it to cool down, then mount the trucks with just a couple of bolts, and I'm going to stand on it and check if I could pump or like if I have to push. What we are building now is an hybrid board. I could not build a proper LDP board, but this is going to be a hybrid board. So we are completely welding this. If at all this board is going to work, it's all because of this person. His name is Karthi. He did not give up even though I gave up. So if you have to thank him, you guys have to thank him. நீங்கள் தளபதி ஃபேனா? Talabadi fans. So I am so thankful to all Talabadi fans. I'm thankful to all Talabadi fans. Thank you guys. You're one of the example. Mr. Karthik is so nice. He's helping me out build a LDP board. Thank you. We are changing the welding rod now. My God, this story has a lot of twists and turns, you know. Super. So he's scraping all the oxide layer, oxide formation. After this, we will cool this plate, mount and test it. Please. We are going to scrape the excess and clean this plate. He is changing the disc. So it's all the repeated procedures which you have been seeing from the morning. I could not explain it back then because like so we cleaned and scraped all the unwanted metal which is surfacing on this rear fork. What good thing happened was like when we reduced the length of the portion. Thank you. He was warning me like the plate is still hot. So what happened was like I gave an extra length to this plate, because of which it was bending and touching the ground floor when it was mounted to my longboard. Right now what we did was like we cut about like 0.75 of an inch from this plate which is going under the deck, and we welded it to an angle of 25 to 30 degrees. So now when I stand on this board after mounting to my deck, it will equal to something close to 0 degrees. It's all because of me, man. I'm a big size rider. What to do? Peace. So as I said before, I'm thankful to everyone here who has been helping this project. Forgive my hairstyle, it's been a long day. And there are a couple of people here. There is one old man here who often visits here to just check my wellness and how things are going and everything. There are people always trying to help me here. So I truly, heartfully, from the bottom of my heart, thank everyone. Thank you guys.
அதில் தான் சார் இருக்கு.
Recording ஆயிட்டு.
ஃபுல்லாகவே எடுக்கணுமா சார்? ஃபேஸ் கீழே
லாஸ்ட்காப்பே எடுங்க.
சரி சார்.
So we are testing it for the first time. Oh boy, success. Board is success. I could able to pump. It's moving very well. I'm quite happy. I'm able to pump this board. So we need the deck is partially stable now. I think it should be okay when I am running on the road. So we need some proper bolted forks actually. So I'm happy with this. Yeah, thank you. Board success.
ஓகே சார்.
So the video is still running actually. I'm very much happy. From my side, when it got failed for first 2-3 times, I lost my hope. This person here, Mr. Karthi, he did not give hope. See how comfortable he is on this board. He is on a regular stance and he was able to pump it. Sorry, I couldn't get enough space to video him here. So he is the guy who did not give the hope on me. He fixed the board and he made it possible today. And he is actor Vijay fan, Thalapathy fan. I'm thankful to all the Thalapathy fans just because of him. Yeah. This is amazing. Super.